Have you ever wondered what really happens behind the scenes of building cities? From ancient stone pyramids to towering glass skyscrapers, buildings are more than just shelters. They are the reflection of who we are, what we value, and how we dream. Each brick, beam, and slab of concrete carries the weight of human ambition and the desire to shape the future. But behind every strong, sustainable, and awe-inspiring structure is a foundation, both literal and figurative, that ensures it stands the test of time. From the outside, it looks like progress. Tall, modern, and impressive structures that define our skylines. But here's the part most people don't see: the waste, the pollution, and the environmental damage left behind. Every day, construction projects produce tons of waste, from broken concrete and steel scraps to excess packaging and harmful dust. This waste doesn't just sit quietly. It clogs up landfills, pollutes rivers, and fills the air with dust and emissions. The more we build, the more we pile up emissions, noise, and materials that are rarely reused. This is the side of construction we rarely talk about, but it's time we did.
Around the world, construction is rising fast. Cities are expanding, buildings are growing taller, and demand keeps rising. But with that progress comes pollution, waste, and rising carbon emissions. That's where Osim Group steps in, a global leader in sustainable building materials and construction solutions. With operations in more than 70 countries, including right here in the Philippines. Holcim is reimagining how we build, not just for today, but for the future. Their mission? To become the leading partner in sustainable construction. They do this by providing high-performance, low-carbon building materials while embracing two key principles: decarbonization and circularity. Unlike traditional cement companies, Holcim is fully committed to reducing its environmental impact. They've introduced EcoPlanet, an innovative low-carbon cement that cuts off carbon by at least 30% and in some applications even up to 50%. What makes it more powerful is not just what it builds, but what it saves: less carbon, less waste, and more circular use of materials.
So now that we know what housing stands for, how exactly are they creating impact on the ground? Housing goes beyond producing an ordinary cement. Instead of relying heavily on raw natural resources, they recycle construction and demolition waste, giving an old materials a new purpose.
They also use alternative fuels to replace fossil energy and adopt cutting-edge tech like carbon capture to reduce emissions during production. In short, Holcim's process is cleaner, smarter, and designed to protect the planet at every stage of construction. From highways to homes, Holcim's eco-building solutions are already making a difference, reducing carbon footprint while delivering the durability construction needs. Their work isn't just about concrete, it's about creating spaces that are safe, sustainable, and built to last without compromising the environment.
It's one thing to talk about solution, but how do we know that Holcim approach is actually making a difference? Let's take a look at the real projects, a real change happening right now, right here in the Philippines. First up, Davao. Holcim launched EcoPlanet, their low-carbon cement to support sustainable infrastructure in the region. From Davao International Airport to Coastal Road all the way to the Tagum City flyover, EcoPlanet is being used to build stronger, cleaner, and greener structures. These projects are reducing emission, improving material efficiency, and delivering the same quality Holcim is known for, all while protecting the environment. Now let's go deeper into the heart of farming community. In partnership with locals, Holcim helped build the Konyig Kawayan Living Center, part of their Houses of Tomorrow project. By combining EcoPlanet cement with bamboo frame construction, this center reduces emissions by over 60%. But more than that, it empowers local women, giving them tools to turn waste into livelihood and helping the community thrive. And Holcim's impact doesn't stop on land. In Pojada Bay, Davao Oriental, Holcim partnered with a Swiss startup to restore life underwater by building artificial coral reefs using marine-safe EcoPlanet concrete. These specially designed reef modules help bring marine ecosystem back to life, a powerful blend of eco-innovation and environmental care. From airports to ocean floors, Holcim proves that sustainability isn't just a promise, it's already happening. Greener roads, cleaner buildings, stronger communities, all powered by innovations that protects the planet.
In my opinion, the Holcim Group is a strong example of a company that balances industrial growth with sustainability. I've learned that they are not just focused on producing cement and building materials, but also committed to reducing their environmental impact through innovation and green practices. Their efforts in promoting circular construction, using low carbon solutions, and aiming for net zero emission show that large companies can lead the way in building a more sustainable future. This has taught me that progress and environmental responsibility can go hand in hand.